Hi guys.
Guys, I've taken over Weekly Vlogs channel, guys. It's me now. Go subscribe. I'm the best. See you in the past.
So guys, that was just like a sudden something. I don't know. But anyway guys, today in this video I'm going to be doing Slime Factory. And I did just literally get this, so I don't know like what's inside it. Well, it does say on the back what like you get inside it and everything. And this is Funny Funks.
And we got it from Toyland
in Keighley. You get some goggles, you get some gloves, mixing tools, bowls,
Safety warning.
booklet, and food colouring and that.
And all the other stuff.
Yep.
And some flour.
Corn starch. Yeah, this is corn starch. Feels so cool. Yeah, so yeah, let's get on with it. So let's open this. Whose socks are there? I do not know. That's a random question. So yeah. There we go. So. Okay, yeah.
So guys, that thing at the start, that was with this. It's just this fake gun thing where you put caps in. So yeah, I'll leave Weekly Vlogs to get on with her video.
So yeah, this is like the slime bags that you can keep slime in, I think. I don't know. I'll read the instructions in a minute. So you get some little mini cups. Oh no. Yes, I've got it. So these are like shot glass cups. And there's these cups. And then there's some bowls. How many bowls do you get? You get 2. Funny Funks, do you want to join in this video with me?
Yeah, if you want.
Yeah? So I'll move my chair up and you can get around.
One more shot.
That's quite loud.
Let me show you it in front. Look at the smoke. You probably can't see the smoke.
Yeah, they can. That's enough now.
Around the top, you probably can see the smoke.
So come round this way from the front. You can get around this little gap there, can't you?
Oh my god.
So yeah, whilst he's doing that, we've got some bowls and cups, bags. And you can read the booklet if you want.
Why do I have to read? No, I'm joking, guys. I love reading. David Walliams on the way. I need some, Meanie.
There's some gloves.
I have one, you have one.
This is mine, not yours. So yeah. Ooh, what are these? Yeah.
So should we read the instructions?
Yeah, and I've done this. Patient boy. So this is like a... Is this even going?
It doesn't even tell you how to do it.
It does.
Ah, now we're here.
So get like these things in my bobbies. Grandma, can you come and help us with it? I do not have a clue what I'm even doing.
So you can do separate experiments.
Oh, these are the lids for them.
These
That's
are these.
cool.
I'll open them.
So they're like food.
Can I open it?
Yeah, sure. Right, now we have quite a few mixing tools. Don't open it right. So we have a few like mixing tools and stuff. This is getting a bit...
Yeah, guys, so we got all of these.
This has got a bin next to us. Ooh, what's this? smell inside of them. They're food colouring. No, don't open that. Don't open that. That's food colouring. So we've got green food colouring.
Alright, I was wondering what those were.
Now we've got red, orange, and blue. So yeah, more of these.
Might go to the shop in a minute.
That's just a tub. Right, go on to the shop and leave me to do this. So I better put my goggles on.
What do you want?
Oh my god, I look stupid in these. Anyway, at least the protection.
Better safe than sorry.
Yeah. At least you've got your glasses on.
Not really protection glasses, are they?
No. But anyway. I don't know why I put these on now, but anyway. So, we've got a massive bag of corn flour. So yeah, I do not know what to do. Do we get glue or something? In anything? Do we get glue? We have to get some glue.
It must be no glue slime.
I do not know. Grandma, can you come and help us?
Okay, guys, see
gonna
ya
pause it
when
here.
our grandma is ready.
Yeah. So guys, we're going to read the instructions. Let me get my gloves on.
So, guys, yeah, we're gonna read the instruction on YouTube. Ow.
This is so weird.
Think
This
of this
feels so
cotton.
weird. Oh my god.
Oh, gosh. It'd be clever if you go like this. You ready, guys? Pro tip.
Me and my brother always used to fill them up with water.
Pro tip.
My grandma will be only 5 minutes.
Pro tip, guys. Do that.
No, not yet.
When you go straight after. Look how much easier that is.
Now let's shake it on.
I literally have no fingers.
Oh, that's much easier.
You can
Where's
feel
that?
at the top.
I know, it's really cool.
Ow! They always do that in like doctor movies. They go, ow. It hurts, don't it?
Oh, and it made a hole in my glove. So yeah, let's read the instructions. I was waiting for Grandma. Oh, what's this? Blue food colouring. For these, the child safety of these, you need to press them down and then. So you press them down and twist them. I think that's how you do it. Oh, I've done mine. Woo, blue. Blue food colouring. I've got it open.
Put it down.
Have you done yours? Right, let's pick some. Right, let's pick the food colouring that we want. I want orange.
I want blue.
I want red.
And I want blue.
And green. I want red and green. You can
want,
have blue and orange.
And I just want blue.
Alright, I'll have orange too then.
Ow. You can have
So like we have like these
Mine's
squishy
allergic.
things.
Our eyes are even.
Oh, whatever. So like these are like these.
Oh my gosh, look at
things.
my t-shirt. Look at that, it's all gone from the... glove, it has all that rubbish.
Like these are like the suck up things to like put food colouring in. Pardon me. And they have these crystal things. There's no glue in here though, unless we have to make the glue, which is impossible.
Nothing's impossible.
So we have like these cup things, whatever they're called, I don't know. We have these. We have a straw. Why would we have a straw? Alright, it's a scoop thingy type thing. That's a scoop and then that's that bit. And then we have some wooden sticks. Is that the right way? And some cups I've already shown you, and yeah, see you in a minute. So anyway guys, actually I'm going to do a part 2 of this, because like you can't go over 15 minutes, otherwise it won't really upload, so, and it's already 11 minutes long. So I'm going to do a part 2 of this guys, so see you in part 2. Peace out you guys. Let's roll the outro.